Welcome back to MegaVerse Builds. Today, we're once again inside the Spotify Camp Nou, exploring the latest construction progress across every major section of the stadium. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our daily Camp Nou construction updates. Now, let's get started. Our journey begins at the North Goal, where construction advances with precision and rhythm. The new upper structure keeps rising as reinforced beams slide into place one after another. Piece by piece, the seating tiers begin outlining the future grandstand. Below them, workers secure metal joints and prepare critical connection points for the upcoming roof system. Subtle, yet essential for stabilizing the upper ring. Along the facade, additional metal profiles extend the framework that will support the stadium's new external skin. Each newly installed piece reveals just a bit more of the stadium's final silhouette. We now move into the Tribuna, one of the most complex and technically demanding areas of the renovation. At the edge of the diamond structure, workers position reinforcement bars across the ceiling. Some segments already show newly mounted beams, while others await preparation. On the lower floors, stacks of insulation panels, steel supports, and mounting frames are arranged and ready for upcoming operations. Clear signs of heavy work scheduled ahead. Approaching the second diamond, the future cafeteria, progress becomes even more visible. Large support brackets for the glass facade are being secured one by one. Many are now fixed, though additional ones still need installation along the left alignment before the upper connection is completed. Bit by bit, this striking architectural element continues taking shape. If you're enjoying this update so far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Your support helps the channel grow and allows us to keep bringing you daily progress from inside the stadium. From here, we shift toward the South Goal, where construction progresses with disciplined consistency. Metal seating elements are reinforced and aligned, forming the base for future tiers. Connector beams linking the South Goal with the lateral and Tribuna sections steadily advance, strengthening the continuity of the stadium's full structural ring. Although changes here may appear more subtle than those in the North Goal, the precision work ensures essential structural balance, a foundation required for the next phases of development. We now head into the interior beneath Tribuna, particularly near the shop terrace area. Fresh concrete work is underway. A concrete mixer feeds the pump positioned over protective material to avoid staining the surface. Workers have laid plastic sheets across the floor to keep it clean as concrete begins to flow. Nearby, lifting platforms rise and descend as crews shape staircases and reinforce interior frameworks. Higher up, scaffolding remains in place, though no active tasks are underway at this moment. Within the structural corridors, visible changes are minimal for now, but the preparation work suggests upcoming progress. Continuing along the lateral side, progress remains steady and methodical. The lower facade expands with every metal beam added to the growing horizontal line, a structure that will eventually support the continuous cladding wrapping around the stadium. Inside the lower corridors, crews reinforce circulation routes by sealing internal gaps and strengthening structural walls. Materials, tools, and equipment are lined up in organized rows, reflecting the efficient momentum of work in this zone. Bit by bit, the lateral side becomes more unified, readying itself for its next construction phase. And that wraps up today's tour of the Spotify Camp Nou. If you enjoyed the update, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our daily progress videos here on MegaVerse Builds. Thanks for watching, and as always, Visca Barça.